Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW 1 Series tire pressure. First, locate your iDrive controller or the button on your instrument cluster. You'll then navigate through the menus to find the vehicle information section. From there, select the option for the tire pressure monitor. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function and preparing your vehicle's system. Once you've found the tire pressure monitor, you'll see an option to perform reset or initialize. Select this and confirm your choice to start the process. The system needs to learn the new tire pressures, so you'll need to drive your car for a short distance. This allows the sensors to register the current inflation levels accurately. To complete the reset, drive your BMW at a speed above 10 miles per hour. The system typically requires a few minutes of driving to fully learn and store the new tire pressures. Once the reset is successful, a green checkmark or a similar confirmation message will appear on your display, indicating that the process is complete. If the tire pressure warning light persists after resetting, first ensure all your tires are correctly inflated to the recommended pressures. If the issue continues, check for any slow punctures or damage. For specific details, or if you encounter persistent problems, always consult your BMW 1 Series owner's manual for model-specific instructions and troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.